వెల్కమ్. మై నేమ్ ఇస్ ఎస్ మధు కిరణ్. ఇటీవల జరిగిన ఎస్ఐ ప్రిలిమ్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ లోని ఎకనామిక్స్ పేపర్ ని అనలైజ్ చేద్దాం. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, 7th ఆగస్ట్ 2022 రోజున ఎస్ఐ ప్రిలిమ్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ కండక్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇది తెలంగాణ స్టేట్. సో ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ లో దాదాపుగా 10 క్వశ్చన్స్, సో 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎకానమీ పార్ట్ నుంచి వచ్చిందన్నమాట. సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ ని ఒకసారి మనం డీటెయిల్డ్ గా అనలైజ్ చేద్దాం, సో దట్ ఈ ప్రిలిమ్స్ అనాలిసిస్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది మెయిన్స్ కి కూడా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఫాలోయింగ్. సో లెట్స్ అనలైజ్ ది SI prelims economy paper. Okay, fine. So economic analysis for the mains. Okay, following. So very first, dash measures the output in sectors like electricity, mining and manufacturing. So ikkada questions చూడండి, which measures the output in sectors like electricity, mining and manufacturing అని అడుగుతున్నారు. So nothing but the answer is index of industrial production. Index of industrial production. So IIP. So what is an IIP? What is an IIP? IIP is an indicator. This is an indicator which measures the industrial production, which measures the industrial production. So it measures in the core 8 industries. Okay, it measures in the 8 core industries in India, and this IIP, okay, is being measured and published by NSO, nothing but National Sample Office, which works under Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, which works under Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. So this IIP measures various industries, 8 core industries like refineries, like steel, like cement, like mining, like manufacturing. Okay, following. So likewise 8 core industries are being analyzed by IIP, which are used, okay, by the Ministry of Finance. Okay, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce. Okay, following and other industries to analyze. Okay, but it may be the Ministry of Industries, like various industry ministries as well as financial institutions utilizes this index, IIP's measures. Okay, so what is the performance of 8 core industries, whether they are performing up to the level, okay, above, okay, or below the required performance. Understand? And IIP takes base year as 2011-12 as the base year, as the base year. Okay, following. So therefore the answer is second option, that is IIP. So coming to the first option, so some people may be confused about the first option also. Okay, that is GDP, gross domestic product. So what is GDP means? GDP is a measure of goods and services produced within a country within 1 year. So all the goods and services produced within a country within 1 year will be measured by the Ministry of Finance, okay, to analyze the gross domestic product, the gross domestic product of a country. Then what is current account balance? So current account balance, it also measures about the country's balance of payments, okay, with the another country. Okay, it compares with the another country. Understand? Current account balance, nothing but maintaining it at zero is impossible. So we find it at a current account surplus or current account deficit. Current account surplus means where exports are more than imports, and current account deficit means where imports are more than exports. So in today's scenario, since a decade, most of the countries are facing this problem, nothing but current account deficit. Okay, that is nothing but take example of agriculture. In agriculture, you see more than the required labor's work, more than the required, okay, the actual labor's work. Due to this, what happens? Okay, the production capacity of them becomes zero. Nothing but if any labor wants to withdraw the work on the present day or for the season, okay, there won't be any impact on the production. Okay, following. Understand? It will be zero. Understand? If any particular worker or labor quits the job, withdraws that job, okay, then even then the production will not change. It will not impact on the production. The marginal production will be zero. Okay, following in the disguised unemployment, because more number of laborers are working than actually needed there. Okay, then actually needed. Say suppose 40 workers are needed, but 50 are working. If 5 workers withdraw, then also there won't be any impact on the productivity, marginal productivity of the workers. So it will be zero, no problem. Only we require only 40, but more people are working here. More people are working. We are not speaking about the advantage to the landlord, advantage to the labor. Okay, we are speaking about production capacities. Production capacities. The 40 people which they can be produced by 50. Okay, is being produced by 50. If 5 withdraw or 10 withdraw, okay, there won't be any impact on the production. The next, structural unemployment means this is related to mismatch of skill. Okay, following. So unemployment here prevails due to mismatch of the worker and the work. Means he is lacking the skills to work in a technological company. So say suppose an old company or old industry has modified its machinery, okay, with a new technology, with an updated technology. To until the new machinery is being injected, okay, and used, till then the employees will be treated as okay, unemployed only, until and unless they learn the skills. Okay, structural unemployment is a short term one. Okay, fine. And once they learn the technology, once they updated the technology, they can be inducted into the regular works. Okay, next question, very easy question, it is a direct question. What is